All right, everybody, so today we're going to be doing a video review and how to use OxiClean interior foam carpet and upholstery cleaner. Great for carpet, fabric, leather, and vinyl. Okay, so we're going to try this. You clean it and revitalize everywhere you need it. So it says pet stains and odors, car seat interior, cargo mats, food and beverage spills. It says spray directly onto the surface. Allow time for foam to lift stains from the surface. Use brush to scrub surface and gently lift debris until stains are gone. Okay. It says wearing gloves and eye protection is recommended at all times. Wipe away excess cleaner and debris with a damp cloth. Heavily soiled areas may require more than one cleaning. Test cleaner in a hidden area first. If negatively affected, avoid use. Leather and vinyl surfaces are best cleaned with a soft cloth. If using the bi-level brush, only gentle pressure should be. And now I'm going to spray right here. Kind of looks like a silly string. I'm going to do right there too. All right, so it says on the bottle, wait 30 seconds. Well, let's see what happens in 30 seconds, okay? Let's just see what happens. Let's go ahead and move that around just a little bit. I'm not wearing gloves. Probably should be, but I'm not. So let's see here. Giving it some time. You seeing this in real time. I'm not doing a time lapse on that. The main reason is because I'm not doing anything extra to help this product. This product, we're just going to see how it works. We're going to see if it works by itself. And just strictly using the directions. And this is for normal folks at home just like you, who just want to clean up your stuff. You know, you don't want to have to work extra hard. Clean something up. Now that is very, very impressive. Look at that. You can see right where that stuff hit and right where it was. And this area right here was clean. This area has not. So let's go ahead and do a demo right there. Let's go ahead and hit that. Let's just see what happens. I want to see with y'all if this is going to work. This is going to be a heck of a review here and some real life action. All right. So it's cleaning. Cleaning. I can see it starting to clean, as you can see. All right. Cleaning. I can see the bubbles. You can see the bubbles kind of like disappearing here. So let's go ahead and wipe it. Look at that. Wow. That works great. Okay, so usability of this, 10 out of 10. 10 being the best. I would say 10 out of 10 for a retail product. This stuff is great. And honestly, with just a damp, or really this is just a dry microfiber towel, that's all you need. That's all I'm using, and letting the product do the work. This stuff is awesome. So thumbs up on that one, and hope y'all enjoyed this. Hope this helps. Be sure to like and subscribe, and remember to hit that bell for new notifications for videos just like this.